Imagine waking up to the sound of waves and spending your day doing what you love, quilting. This isn't your average cruise. This is a Stitchin Heaven Quilting Cruise. Our cruises are created specifically for quilters, by quilters. That means you'll be part of a community that speaks your language. You'll enjoy exclusive quilt kits, hands-on classes from some of the best instructors in the quilting world, and your very own sewing station for the entire cruise. And while you're stitching to your heart's content, you'll still have access to everything you expect from a world-class cruise: gourmet dining, incredible entertainment, spa treatments, and beautiful destinations. You'll make friends, memories, and quilts that will last a lifetime. Whether you come alone or with your quilting besties, you'll feel right at home. Don't just go on vacation. Go on a quilting adventure. Stitchin Heaven Quilting Cruises. Cruising with friends? What could be better?